Nagstay ako sa isang ryokan or traditional inn sa Takayama, Japan at alamin natin kung meron nga ba talagang humihingi ng hostisya. Charot! Guys, sa 2 days namin dito, wala talaga akong na-feel na negative vibe or energy. In fact, sobrang cozy at peaceful ng place. By the way guys, ang Takayama, Japan is known for preserving its old town charm. Kaya makikita mo pa rin yung traditional houses and buildings from the Edo period. Para kang nag-time travel sa old Japan. Maganda rin siyang gawing base for visiting Shirakawa-go, Kanazawa, and Fukui. This is Hostel Murasaki, 13 minutes walk siya from Takayama Station. Walking distance naman sa Miyagawa Morning Market, Miyagawa River, and Takayama Old Town. Nabook namin siya sa Agoda for around 3,000 pesos per night, good for 2 persons na. You can use my code Karen Agoda to get a discount. Hostel style siya, so shared yung toilet and bath, pero may sarili kayong private room. Let's do a room tour. Naka-sliding door siya, nakatatami mat yung flooring para siyang banig. May small table din na pwedeng tambayan, tapos may 2 futon beds. And guys, malambot siya kasi naka-layer yung bedding. Naka-aircon na rin yung room, may luggage storage space, and surprise, may extra bed pa. Meron ding veranda area with a window at ito yung view namin pag umaga. Madali lang din yung check-in process, via video ko lang namin ginawa, then bibigyan kayo ng instructions kung saan kukunin yung susi. May common area din kung saan pwede mag-chill, mag-work, or tumambay. Meron ding fully equipped kitchen with ref and microwave kaya pwede kayo mag-prepare or mag-init ng food. Ganito naman yung toilet and bath area, separate yung sa babae at lalaki, and complete na rin with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Ayun na guys, thank you for watching and let me know kung may questions kayo.